everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I got this crimped closure look, light baby hairs on the side, just the middle part. This video is, where's the box? Oh, Vivi baby hair. So if you like this look and want to see how I got it, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so this is a 26-inch, 180 density Mongolian body wave hair. That's something that I really did like about Vivi baby hair. They have the options of the regions of the hair. They have Brazilian, Indian, Mongolian, and a lot of companies don't have that anymore, but so that was really cool to me. The knots and the lace on this hair, but the knots bleached really easy, like amazingly actually, and the lace blended with my skin really good, as you guys could see at the beginning of the video. One thing I will say though, that this hair did give me a bit of shedding, and also I wouldn't recommend styling this hair on too high of a heat setting. When I put the crimps in, my crimper goes to 450, which is actually like really hot. I know my flat iron only goes to like 420 maybe, but I don't even use it on the highest setting. But it did give off a bit of a smell, but those are the only things that I would say. But yeah, the knots bleached amazingly. I was worried about them at first because they did look a bit big, but it was no troubles at all with the knots, like literally at all. So yes, the hair is beautiful, and we're about to get into the styling. Hi guys, so I do this the same way every time. Olive oil RS. Lately though, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know if it's I just don't use enough or I don't give it time to gel. I don't use enough, or I don't give it time to dry properly. But I don't know, RS gel just hasn't been doing it for me. So I might be, I don't know, going into something else. But since this is a closure, I'm not gonna glue it down. I'm gonna gel it down. And so this is just me waxing it back, pushing it back so it doesn't look like it's sitting on the top of my head. Do this for all my closures, and then this is just a regular install from here. After this, I'm just going to put my elastic band on, and then I'll begin crimping it.
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what a who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party. I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say clothes, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip, run and go fast as a horse. I got the trunk in the front, I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes don't hit cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me. They baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bet you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich. I put my hand up on my hip, I bet you 50, 50, 50. I say quick. I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll with no rolls. I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of them niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steaks. Only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace. Now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the face. Hard to let these bitches go. Just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more. Another check for more. Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is dirty shoes. If you school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. Amazing that lace rendition, like is giving scout. But I encourage everybody who's a beginner way to try clothing. Customize and take it off and put it back on the next day. Like seriously, off of my video, you guys see I didn't cut it. That's just the little thing I've been doing in case that I sell people don't want me to just like, also learned that just click it and do that, or just push it up and put it on family and listen to the radio, guys. So yeah, this was really fun to work with, really, as you see.
Okay, guys, so this is the finished, completed look. It took like, well, the lace was very easy to apply. That wasn't nothing, but the crimps really took the longest time. I wouldn't recommend using too hot of a heat level on here because it kind of smelled like really weird. But besides that, with lace per usual, you know. So yeah. Woo! Towards the end though, I crimped it with this icy hair polish because it was looking a little dry, but that's because I didn't use any product on it at all initially. Oh, my camera about to die. But so yeah, you guys, this looks really nice. I really like it. Okay, bye.